Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off live streams on your WeChat for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on friends permissions, and you come to next window here. Sorry, we will go back. We will click here on my information authorizations here, and you come here to this window. You just click here on system permissions, and you come to next window here. Then you just click here on storage, and you come to a next window here, and you go down. You click here on live streams, and it's going to show for you window like this. You just click here on this color, and like you say color, it's gone. That's mean live streams, it's turned off now for storage. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.